Hi, Michael. Thanks for getting your assignment in, and early, way early, and which is great. And so here, our assignment, of course, was to use your camera's white balance mechanism to find and assign a white balance to a scene that creates a nostalgic feeling for the viewer. Secondarily, you were to bracket. So your white balance here feels very clean. So our eyes, of course, adjust to any particular color of light by assigning the brightest thing in the room a clean white value, of white with very little hue in it, with very little color taint. And so that's what you've chosen here. You've chosen a very clean white. Sorry, I'm just going through. The silence is not derogatory. I'm just going through it again. Oh, and there's your light meter. Great. 36. Okay, perfect. 40 exposures. Perfect. And then, okay, so we're back to the very clean white balance. And so the clean white balance is going to give us the feeling of daylight, I would say, but in this case, because the light is so diffused, it's going to feel like overcast daylight, which is going to be a Kelvin temperature, around above 5,000, really. And maybe this one is going to be a lower Kelvin temperature, which is going to be a lot, what Kelvin calls a cooler light, but which feels warmer to us. So this one's probably more in like the 4,000 to 3,000 range. And then this is a little warmer as well, I would say. And forgive me, I should just say right off the bat, I cannot speak in terms of Kelvin. I understand how it's supposed to work. I understand that cooler light has a hotter temperature, so we're supposed to call it warm, and that by cooler I mean bluish light is hot, and orange and yellowish and reddish light is cool. But I can't do it. I'm a painter at heart, and so I call white and orange and red light warm. I just do that. I'm going to do that this whole class. I'm sorry. So this one feels warmer. So does this one. Very cool. And coolish. This, of course, is your coolest, which in Kelvin we would call the warmest. And then the rest have an orangish quality. So I would say that is very effective, to have a slightly orangish quality to it. I kind of secretly hope not many people get in here and listen to this because I don't want to give it away. But in the text and in the lecture, we read about our emotional response to light, and humans just respond more openly and generously and emotionally in a positive way to light that is yellow or orange, more so than light that is blue or even a little bit purple. So I think that you have done a really nice job doing that without overdoing it. And if you have an opportunity, I would love for you to get back in here and tell us what white balance setting you used. Tell us specifically, did you use a preset, or did you set a specific number K value to your images? And that's about it. That's all I have to say on this one. Your assignment's very complete. Your compositions are nice. I have to, let me go to this image here. I really enjoy this image. And when I look at it long enough, I get that this is sitting on a chair or a couch or something like that, but it takes me so long to figure that out because you're very effective narrow depth of field that I love this composition, like this soft horizon line with the off-center ball, which has got so much volume because there's a bright light on this side, and then this beautiful shadow is describing for us the volume of this object. It's not flat at all. It feels really round. I'm loving this image. Here the ball, notice, here the ball flattens out because there's no real clear shadows cast. So it feels like this could almost just be like a flat cutout, whereas this is really a sphere. Light does that. Okay, thank you so much, Michael. Thanks. This is nice. Thank you.